This is Rameesa from Roots Ivy. It has to be said that putting together what I want to say today has been one of the hardest things that I've had to do. It is so difficult to sum up what has been a roller coaster of a journey for all of us at Roots Ivy. Little did I know, after completing my O-levels and stepping into the hallways of Roots Ivy filled with roaring successes, that one day I will be featured on those walls too. My journey began with no sight of the finish line, but was driven by a powerful sense of self-confidence, humility and resilience that was instilled in me by Roots Ivy. While providing me with the opportunity of leading the entire student body by becoming the head girl, to organizing different events and becoming the ambassador of different non-profit organizations, it is this day that today I have been admitted to the prestigious Ivy League University of Dartmouth on a 120-person scholarship, which counts as $80,000 per annum. I would like to extend my heartiest gratitude and thankfulness to the entire team at Roots Ivy, and especially Ma'am Khatija Mushtaq, for working day in and day out with their students. Despite the pandemic, where every house, every home has a different and a sorrowful story to share, but Roots Ivy did not leave us out in the blue. Instead, the team worked with us the entire time. And it is because of this hard work that today all the students of class of 2025 have secured their spots in prestigious universities around the globe. Roots Ivy has indeed lived up to its promises. And just remember, as long as you're an Ivy dreamer, nothing can come between you and your dreams.